I'm Alex Rivers. Welcome to NobleMind Cast. Today, we're talking about something that can change how you feel every single day. How to introduce yourself in English confidently. Imagine this. You walk into a new place, a coffee shop, a class, or maybe a job interview. Someone smiles at you and says, "Hi, tell me about yourself." Your heart beats fast, but this time you smile back and speak clearly. That feeling? Pure confidence. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get there. First, keep it super simple. You don't need big words, just 3 easy parts: your name, where you are from, and one thing you like. That's it. Let me show you. Hi, I'm Alex Rivers. Nice to meet you. I'm from the United States, and I love helping people speak English with confidence. See? Short, clear, and friendly. Now you try in your mind. Say your name slowly. Hello, I'm your name. Good. Now add where you live. I live in your city. And finish with one happy thing. I love learning English because it opens new doors. I remember my first time. I was 22 and so nervous. I met a group of new friends and my voice was shaking. But I used these exact simple words and they smiled. That moment changed everything for me. Now I want the same happy feeling for you. Let's practice a real conversation together. Imagine you meet someone at a park. Person: Hi. You: Hi, I'm Maria. Nice to meet you. Person: Nice to meet you too, Maria. Where are you from? You: I'm from Bangladesh, but I live here now. Person: Cool. What do you like to do? You: I love reading books and learning English. It makes me feel strong. See how natural it sounds? No stress, just real words from the heart. Here are 5 ready-to-use phrases you can say today. 1. Hi, my name is. 2. Nice to meet you. 3. I'm from. 4. I live in. 5. I love, and then tell them one thing that makes you smile. Try saying them out loud right now. Speak slowly, smile while you talk, and feel your confidence grow. One more tip from your friend Alex. Look at the person, keep your shoulders relaxed, and remember, they want to know you. You are interesting. You are enough. Every day this week, introduce yourself to one new person, even if it's just in the mirror first. You'll feel the difference. You've got this. I believe in you. I'm Alex Rivers. This is NobleMind Cast. Subscribe and see you tomorrow. Keep growing your mind.